You paste in the prompt. Act like a Stanford PhD professor. You hit enter, and the prompt begins to unfurl into a sequence of densely packed academic paragraphs. You're looking at a response that mimics the appearance of professional research. The delivery is what makes it so persuasive. The AI adopts a measured academic voice, hedges its statements with precision, and organizes everything into the kind of clean, bulleted format you'd expect from a peer-reviewed paper. But the expertise is superficial. When you pull one of those citations and try to verify a specific number against a primary source, the evidence often disappears. The paper might be real, but the data is wrong, or the study itself was fabricated from scratch. According to Stanford's 2026 AI Index, hallucination rates across 26 top models swing wildly, reaching up to 94%. Furthermore, a BBC investigation found 45% of AI answers contained significant sourcing issues, from missing links to unsupported claims. Most users assume an expert prompt fixes these errors. In reality, demanding a specific persona actually increases the frequency of these hallucinations. An authoritative tone is a different thing entirely from factual accuracy. This viral prompt pack optimizes for the one you can hear, while often ignoring the one you need. Researchers isolated this behavior in a 2026 study on expert personas. They found that while persona prompts help with tone and style, the instruction-following behavior actually damages accuracy on tasks that require fetching factual information. The AI balances two tasks. Alignment matches your style, while retrieval pulls accurate knowledge. Commanding a professor persona forces the alignment bucket to overflow. With finite power, maximizing tone causes the system's accurate retrieval to fracture. The prompt forces the AI to prioritize the superficial costume of an expert over the actual retrieval of factual data. Large language models follow a core directive. They must prioritize explicit user instructions. If you tell it to adopt a persona, that becomes the model's primary goal, overriding its internal accuracy checks. The system shifts its energy away from deep cross-referencing to satisfy your request for a specific style. Fabricating a confident voice, structuring complex academic paragraphs, formatting perfectly aligned citations are all resource-heavy tasks. This redirection of processing power leaves the system with insufficient resources to check its own training data for truth. The AI isn't intentionally lying. It is suffering from a resource allocation error triggered by the very prompt meant to make it smarter. To get better research, we have to stop optimizing for tone and start optimizing for the reasoning process itself. The most effective alternative is a technique called structured decomposition, or chain of thought prompting, which has years of well-replicated research behind it. This comparison shows the difference. Persona prompting targets style and confidence. Structured prompting ignores the costume and focuses on accuracy and reasoning. A structured prompt uses a checklist. You tell the AI to identify assumptions, name competing views, and walk through its reasoning step by step. This bypasses the tone penalty. It forces the AI to execute a logical sequence of checks, which significantly reduces the chance of a hallucination. Even with better prompts, you must treat the AI as a research assistant that is prone to forging documents without warning. Every research session requires a human verification pass, a step the viral prompt packs completely ignore. You have to pull the specific papers the AI mentions, confirm the authors exist, and verify the findings actually match what the model claimed. If a number looks too clean or a link is dead, the claim is unusable. The AI builds the structural map of the topic, allowing the human researcher to navigate the field and verify the ground truth.